easy way to get your Instagram stories look a lot better. So this is very subtle, very easy. All you need is some extra photos from the post that you're highlighting. So for example, I have this post over here. I'm going to show you some of the extra stuff that I use to make it look better. So if you see where my like face cam is, and then you go right over, you'll see the thing with like the circle label person inside. So go right over from that. That's the AA, and that's like the text stuff. And then if you go right over from that, the one with the smiley face with the slight peel, that's what we're gonna hit. So if you could see there. Now from the top, we're gonna go down and go to where it says 0 degrees Celsius. And if you go one over, you'll see the camera icon, and that's kind of like for selfie and stuff. And then we're gonna go one right over from there, which is right under the countdown one, and that's gonna be where we can add some extra photos to it. So if you click that, you'll see I have photos in my camera gallery for my phone on here, and you can kind of choose whatever you want to put behind. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this, and if I just enlarge it, I like to make it big so then it kind of covers more space. You don't have to clutter it with a lot of photos. You just need two. So you can see now if I put it behind and then I tap the post, it'll come in front. So now we have the big one that we just dragged in as our background. So if I do the same exact process, I'm going to use this one because you could see more of what's happening, kind of like how the effect takes place. Oops. If you see that, we're just going to enlarge it and then make sure to leave a little bit visible so you can tap it again. And now you can see that we have kind of like a cinematic background. It looks a lot better. It looks really professional. It's very easy to do. So now you can see that if we post this, you can catch someone's eye with like some more cinematic stuff. Add new post, add like the text saying, you know, check it out. So we can just even do that. New post. Make sure to like make the color so it's more visible. Make it big. And you can see like we have a lot better story here. So if you like this video, thanks for watching. Follow and like for more. And I got a lot more stuff coming. Thanks for watching. Bye.